In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to review your competitors' alt text so you can see what keywords they're putting behind their listing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Chrome and you're going to type in Image Alt Text Viewer Chrome extension. Hopefully it's still available, and you're going to click that first link. It's going to look like this in the top right corner. You're going to go to your competitor's listing. You're going to click this, bada bing, bada boom, and it's going to show you all of the alt text of your competitor. Now, it might be missing a few things like the backend search terms, but it's going to show you a lot, especially on the brand story and on the A+ content. If we scroll down, we're going to see all of the backend keywords behind the brand story and all of the backend keywords behind the A+ content. We can see behind the A+ content, this competitor is already using Spanish keywords. So they're trying to rank in Spanish, and that should get your creativity juices flowing for your backend keywords that you can use, because these aren't seen by customers. These are seen by robots, by Amazon's robots, to help them rank higher in the search. So for this competitor, if you type in anything regarding hiccups, they're pretty much going to show up because they have some of the best SEO on the back end of their listings. So you can use this tool and type in all of their backend keywords: waddle, smart, drug, detection, Papito, lifestyle, attachment, food, safe, lip, science behind it, and then they have a lot of Spanish keywords behind there that you can see them with this tool. So this tool really helps you see all of those. Then all you have to do to implement them is you look at your top 5 competitors, you write down a list of their back-end search terms. As long as they're relevant, they're good, and then you can take those English keywords, put them in Google Translate, and have some Spanish keywords as well. So you can start ranking for Spanish on Amazon, which is the second most spoken language in the US. After that, all you're going to do is go to your A+ content and or brand story. You're going to get A+ content manager. Go in, you're going to click edit, and then edit one of your images, and this is your time to put in those back-end search terms behind your listing. That's going to help you rank on Amazon and improve your SEO. I hope that you learned something new in today's video, and if you did, please do drop a like and a subscribe. Of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, you can contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in.